Welcome all. Let's make upma from Blu Mark Snack mix. Chop medium size onion and grate a small carrot. Now heat 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, cumin seeds or jeera, quarter teaspoon of hing and turmeric to the oil to make a tadka. Add green chili pieces and curry leaves to it. Saute onion in the tadka for a minute. Add carrot and green peas. Add 60 ml of water. Add quarter teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of sugar to it. Put the lid on a pan and bring the water to boil. Add quarter cup of buttermilk. Instead of buttermilk, you can add 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. Take off the pan from the gas. Empty 1 sachet of Blu Mark Snack mix in the pan and mix it well with all the contents. Initially, you may find the mixture sticky, but stickiness disappears as it gets cooked. Put the pan on low flame. Put the lid and let the mixture get cooked for 3-4 minutes. And now your upma is ready. Garnish it with chopped coriander and grated coconut and serve it hot.